I feel so fortunate to be here this evening to recognize the tremendous impact that Arthur Levine and Lauren Leichman have had on my career at UCLA. I'll never forget the day we met. I was 7 months pregnant and thinking this might not make such a great first impression. But Arthur and Lauren embraced both my science and my family, and they endowed a chair in astronomy that I hold. They are my family today, and they have transformed my life at UCLA. I came to UCLA 22 years ago because of its partnership with Keck Observatory. I had a dream of using the Keck telescopes in a new and different way to study black holes. Black holes have always fascinated me. They push on the boundaries of physics so hard that we cannot explain what they are. And yet our theories of the universe assume that they are everywhere and that they play a critical role in how the universe works. My colleagues and I at the Galactic Center Group have developed new imaging methods that have given us a new way of seeing the universe. We have discovered things that we set out to discover, like proof of the existence of a black hole at the center of our galaxy, as well as things that we didn't anticipate discovering. Those unknown unknowns have upended many wisdoms in astronomy. I'm very excited about the future of the work, future that Arthur and Lauren have enabled. Our work will lead to new insight in terms of how black holes influence the formation and evolution of galaxies. There's more. Our ability to track the stars at the center of the galaxy will enable new tests of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Yes, you heard that correctly. The excitement over our work has basically propelled the Galactic Center Group to the forefront of many projects, including a $1 billion international project to build the world's most sophisticated telescope with images so sharp that we will be able to see further into space than ever before. Never in my wildest dreams when I first began at UCLA, did I imagine that we could be poised to answer so many fundamental questions about the nature of the universe. And I am so grateful to Arthur Levine and Lauren Leichman. From day one, they have believed in me and my research. They have constantly encouraged me to think on a completely different scale, to dream big and to dream bold. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to introduce Lauren Leichman and Arthur Levine.
Thank you for your kind words, Andrea. Lauren and I meet a lot of interesting people over the years, but it's not often we come across someone of really exceptional ability who's only been held back by a lack of funding. A few years ago, we met someone here at UCLA, and it was Andrea Ghez. She was already asking questions no one else had thought of. As we got to know her and learned more about her work, we wanted to really help her unleash her enormous potential.
So Arthur and I made a commitment to endow a chair in astrophysics so that Andrea and those who will follow her have the resources they need to achieve their goals and make their amazing discoveries. We believe that UCLA is a wonderful institution and that endowed chairs help the university retain and attract the remarkable talent, a lot of which we've seen here tonight. People like Andrea who are the real stars of the university. And there's a lot of competition, as everyone knows, for great faculty.
I completely agree with that. And I want to tell you that endowing a chair is much more than just writing a check. It's a sign that this community believes in the research being done in any particular field. The potential of that research to push the boundaries of knowledge further and further.
And it's also about the long-term impact and the long-term investment that the endowed chairs will continue to yield, the important discoveries they will yield decades after all of us are gone. Knowing more about our planet and its place in the universe will undoubtedly benefit all of our children and our grandchildren.
For someone so accomplished as Andrea, she is a very humble person. A few moments ago, she told you that she studies black holes. That's true, but actually, she was the first to prove the existence of a supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. She has gone right through the glass ceiling for the benefit of future generation of female astronomers. She has won virtually every prestigious award possible, including the first woman to be awarded the Crayford Prize, otherwise known as the Nobel Prize in Astronomy. Lauren and I are very honored to know her and are delighted to be playing a part in her success. Thank you.